YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So I'm gonna hop right into this review because once again I have a pair that my brother actually hit. And I'm telling you, this guy's been on fire lately. He actually hit this on the Awake raffle EQL. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox that shoe. And also I got a couple hats from Clockwork Skate Shop. Shout out to Jay the Sneaker Guy for putting me on. So I want to go ahead and hop right into the review and not really waste any time because we won't be able to do it on foot because this is my brother's pair. I'm not sure if he's going to be keeping it or not, so I don't want to stick my foot in it, you know, and devalue the shoe in any way. So with that being said, I want to hop right into the unboxing. So let's get right into it. So let's go ahead and unbox what I got from Clockwork Skate Shop. And this is a local skate shop that's in Macon. I think it's in Macon, Georgia. So I'm in Wilmington, Delaware. So, you know, of course I couldn't get to the store, but if you watch Jay the Sneaker Guy vlogs, the store does ship to you. So I was able to give them a call and they was able to ship me a couple of hats that I had seen on Jay the Sneaker Guy's vlog. So let's go ahead and see what these hats are hitting for. Oh, that's dope. They sent that. So if you didn't know out there, I'm an avid, diehard Raiders fan. So Las Vegas Raiders, formerly Oakland Raiders, formerly Los Angeles Raiders. That's my squad. Secondary squad is the Eagles because I'm local near Philadelphia. Families are Eagles fan, but my diehard team, Raiders. Fire what they sent me. This Raiders Clockwork logo, dope. We do have, see here, Clockwork right here as well. And don't worry, I'll put their Instagram up as well so you can see who they are on Instagram and contact them if you need anything. Got my receipt in here, we'll need to see that. And then let's go ahead and unbox the first hat. So this is the hat that I seen that I really wanted. And fire, gotta protect it. Put that in there for now. Let's put this over here. So the first thing we have out the pack is the red and black Raiders hat. Fire, man. This hat is dope. With that Raiders shield right there on the front in red. The whole hat's in red. Then you got the new era right there in black surrounded by that red. NFL in the back in black and white surrounded by the red. Man, this hat is fire. Man, I'm glad I was able to grab this hat, man. I might have to put this on for the video too because it go with the kicks that we about to show. So let me grab the second hat. And of course, I had to grab the blue one as well because this is the first time I ever seen this hat. Was on one of Jay the Sneaker Guy's video and it was a blue Raiders hat and I've never seen that before, let alone a red one. So yeah, here's the blue. Got that royal blue with the black and white shield. You got Super Bowl. Let's see, what Super Bowl is this? It's one of the Super Bowls that we won. We do got 3 Super Bowls, so that's one of them. And just like the red hat, you got the black and white new era on that side. And then, yeah, it's fire NFL on the back. So, fire, man. I can't wait to rock these hats. I'm definitely gonna rock this probably on my birthday week when I'm taking a little vacation. But, yo, shout out to Clockwork Skate Shop. I appreciate you. Shout out to Jay the Sneaker Guy for putting me on. And yeah, with that being said, you know what? I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna throw this hat on for the rest of the video. Give me a minute. So how we looking, fam? Fire, dope. Comment in the comment section down below how y'all feel about this Raiders hat, this red Raiders hat. Fire. Red, I'm not even gonna do that to you, but you know, it's Raider Nation for life. No doubt. So let's go ahead and unbox the shoe. So it says Shopify Awake. So they shipped it from California. So I guess this must be where they're holding all their supplies, I guess, from when you win the raffle. So let me figure out how I'm gonna go ahead and open this, man, because this is a strange box. So bear with me while I try to open this real quick. Cool, cracked it open. So here we go. That's funny they gave us this big square box for this slimmer box, right? It doesn't even fit in there. So got in here, okay, they got the packaging. I'll leave that for my brother to check out. Got his receipt and packaging. One thing I did notice right off the bat when I pulled this box out, Bro, they did you dirty on your box, man. Look at the damage on the bottom of the box. How that got like that, I have no idea. That's crazy. With that big box, there shouldn't be any damage because there's plenty of room in there, but then again, it could have been sliding around, so that sucks. But here's what the box looked like. I know you've seen reviews of this shoe already, but I want to bring the review to my channel. And on the back, you can see you got the Boros as well in New York, Nike and Jordan branding, Awake branding. And on the back, Jordan 5 Boro, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, the Bronx, Staten Island. That's on the back of the box, which is dope, man. And this logo is fire, by the way. And all around the box, you got Awake New York branding. You got Jordan. You got, I see a Nike swoosh right there in red on this side. And on the other side, you got Awake New York. And that Nike right there. And here's the sizing label. Hopefully that'll come in. Let me see if I can get that in focus. Let me see here. Hopefully that'll focus. Yeah, there you go. You can see the sizing label right there. Let me read that to you. Air Jordan 5 Retro OG SP. Pink, University Red. So I call these the AKA bubble gums. You know what I mean? So flip lid. Here's the stickers that you do get with this pair. So definitely appreciate all the added necessities that they gave us with this pair. It's fire. It's got Nike, Awake New York, got the 5 boroughs, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, the Bronx, Staten Island, Jumpman, Awake New York. That's fire. I like that a lot. Oh, and he's got also another sticker of the Awake New York with the Jumpman. It's fire. Awake New York. That's fire. Yeah, you gotta love it when they give you extras, man, especially for, you know, sneakers that are costing nowadays. You got this black and gray paper, of course, Awake New York branding all over it. And then remember, with 5s, we've been getting the shoe divider that comes with our pairs. All right, that's enough for the box. Let's get into the shoe. Get this over. Woo! Man, that color just pops, man. That's crazy. Man, these are fire. That's crazy. There you have it. Let me move the tag real quick so you can just see. Wake New York. So let me just take it in real quick before we hop right into the review. Yeah, these are crazy, man. Wow. Ah, man, I can't believe I don't know if he's gonna keep these or not, but if these are mine, these would be put straight to the toe. So without further ado, let's get into the Air Jordan 5 Awake New York bubblegum. Let's hop right into the review, man. So let's go ahead and look at the bottom of the shoe. You got that combination of, again, that translucent outsole black, got the Nike right there in the middle right there, blacked out, and then right there the forefoot, you should have that Awake New York with the Jumpman symbol shining through in that red. Fire indeed. On this side, of course, moving up to the midsole, you got a black midsole. You got red with black speckles in the backwards flames right there on the side right here. Moving up to the upper, you do get an Awake New York hang tag. You got that A right there. That's in the middle of the shoe, and I believe that's 3M as well, going around that A. And you know what? It's leather around it, but the material that's surrounding the A, it feels like it's like a different material. If you can see that up close, it's very different. I can't explain it, but that is a dope touch. One of my favorite touches is that New York on the back that's in that red highlighted in black. Back of the shoe, of course, we got that Nike Air in black that pops so hard off that pink. You do get 2 extra spare laces, red and white. I think you can go, I think all 3 laces do hit with this shoe. You can't go wrong with the pink lace. with the white lace and the red lace. So make sure your lace bags come like that. On the tongue, you got the 3M tongue with the Awake New York in red stitched in. The lace lock is red. Get a red lace lock. And on the back of the tongue, it should say Awake New York. On the back of the tongue, hopefully that's coming in clear. Let's see what's going on in the inside. Pull the guts out, see what's happening. All right, shoe paper. And then the inside, actually, let me loosen these up a little bit so we can go ahead and get a good view of what's going on in the inside of the shoe. Okay, inside of the shoe, you got a black insole with Nike Awake New York and your sizing tag as well. So that's what the inside of the shoe should look like. So that's fire. And I don't know why they did this, but again, the numbered pair. So they're supposed to be numbered, but I don't know if they are. But on the back, you can see stitched in, you have 7,000 and then the number 1. All the pairs that came, especially the pink pair, came with that 7,000 and all of them are number 1. So why they did that, I'm not sure. I don't know if they're trying to, I don't know if that's a way to kind of, you know, detect a fake. So if you get a pair that has 5 on it or 23 or something like that, then you'll know it's fake because they all have the number 1 on the back out of 7,000. So that's the right pair. Let me see if the left pair is anything different. I'm gonna wrap this one. I see the 23 on the side right here, which is fire. I love that they put New York on this side, on the right pair, and then the 23 on that side, on the left pair. That's fire, man. These are dope, man. Man, I took L's on my attempts, man. Clear air bubble, and I can't tell what kind of air unit that is in there. I can't tell the color. It looks almost like a gray. And this is the right pair. Only thing different on the right pair that I can see right now is on this pair on the back of the tongue, you got Air Jordan on this pair, and you don't have the stitched in number 7,001. Other than that, everything is the same. Let's see here, the insole. Yeah, everything else is the same on this pair. So that's the big difference. You got Air Jordan on the back of this tongue, and you got that hit of 23 right there on the left shoe. So fire, man. So comment down in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? You think they're worth the resale prices they're going for right now? You think you want to go ahead and grab them? Some people think this is their sneaker of the year, and you know, that's how much they love them. But you know, for me, they are dope, but I don't know about sneaker of the year, but they are fire in my opinion. Definitely up there. I would say they're in the top. It's so hard, man, because we're still not done with the rest of the year. I would say top 5 right now, but yeah, these are fire, man. So yeah, these are dope. So that's it. I just wanted to bring you this review, and you know, there will be no on-fill. Like I said, this is my brother's pair, but you know, I did want to bring you the visual. So with that being said, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop new videos. And until the next video, I'm out.
Die one.